Hi guys, in this tutorial we are going to create this intro. In alightmotion. Well, I am Ravi and you are watching Ravi Edits. Then let's get started. So first of all, open alightmotion and to create a new project, press this plus icon. Now add the main media clip to the timeline. I will provide its link in the description box below. To get the best result, watch the video fully and don't skip anywhere. Now move the video to about 1.2 seconds and add your logo. The logo which you are using should be a PNG, otherwise it won't be good for the intro. After adding the PNG, press blending and opacity. And here select lighten and enlighten linear touch, last one. Okay. Now decrease its size so that it would fit in the fire circle. You can adjust its size and position using the move and transform option. Now select the logo in the timeline and press blending and opacity, and here decrease its opacity to 0 and add a keyframe at the beginning and move a little bit and make its opacity to 100%, and automatically a keyframe will come there. If you want to edit the keyframe which you have added earlier, simply select the clip and go to the place where you have added the keyframe and press the keyframe and move it to the place where you want to place it. Like this, you have to move the keyframe. The fire circle clip should be about 4.2 seconds. I think each and every one of you are new to my channel. So please help me to gain subscribers by subscribing my channel. Now select the base clip and press move and transform. Here select the third option, which is increasing or decreasing its size. Now add a keyframe at 3.1 second and move to the last and increase its size, as you can see in the video, and automatically a keyframe will form there. Now again select the base clip and press blending and opacity, and here add a keyframe and move a little bit forward and decrease its opacity to 0. Okay. Now select your logo clip and cut it at the part where the fire circle clip ends. And now again select it and press move and transform. Here select the third option and add a keyframe at the beginning and move a little bit forward for about 1 second and add a keyframe increasing its size as you can see in the video. Now it's time to add the glossy effect. For that, add a media clip. I will provide the link for that media clip in the description box below. You can download it from there and use it in your project. Now select the clip which you have added and go to blending and opacity. Here select the difference and press divide and decrease its opacity as you can see in the video. Now select the logo clip and press blending and opacity and add a keyframe with 100% opacity and move a little bit forward and decrease its opacity to 65% so that you could see the glossy effect. Now do as I do. Watch carefully, don't miss any part.